Need to fix Hotmail not working on iPhone? Then in today's video, I'm gonna guide you with a step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. First thing first, move into settings of a device. Scroll down and move into apps. Search for the application Mail. Once found, click on it. Now head over to Mail accounts. Well, by any chance, if you see the option of enter the password of Hotmail, then simply enter the password and then it might be good to go. If not, head over to Add Account. Click on Outlook.com. You need to enter the account once again. Once entered, you might be good to go. After that, move into Fetch New Data. Make sure that the option is turned on. Once it has been toggled on, now what you need to do is go back to the previous page of settings and then move into Software Update Available. You have to make sure that the software is updated to the latest version. Sometimes if you haven't updated, then it might be one of the reasons that you're facing the issue with the Hotmail. So you have to make sure to update it to the latest version and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.